Hi guys, in today's video I'm sharing our family recipe for chicken spring rolls. We make them every year for Ramadan and freeze them. So to begin with, take 750 grams of chicken breasts. So I've used a whole chicken breast here, washed it and cut it into cubes. Add some salt and some pepper to it according to your liking, and then half a glass of water. Give this a good stir, and you want to cook this on low to medium heat for say about 20 to 25 minutes. Just keep checking in between. The other ingredients you'll need are half of a small cabbage and 3 carrots. Shred them and keep them aside. Now take a little bit of all-purpose flour, add water gradually till it starts to look like a thick paste, something like a glue consistency. It should eventually start to look like this. You want to have this paste ready and keep that aside too. And by now our chicken should be done. So to make sure it's properly done, what you want to do is just take a fork, pick up a random piece of chicken and try and break it into half. If it breaks into half very easily, that means it's cooked through properly and it's now ready. So now what you want to do is just shred it and keep that aside too. So now we should have all our 3 major ingredients ready. That's 3 of our carrots shredded, half a cabbage shredded, and of course our chicken, which is the star of our spring roll. Now let's quickly put this filling together. Take a large pan, like you don't want to crowd the pan, so try and get a bigger pan if you can. Just like a tablespoon of oil. Put all your ingredients in this, your chicken, your carrots and your cabbage. Now the trick here is to make sure that your flame is medium to high, and you do not want to cook this for more than 2 minutes. So just give this a quick stir. And for our seasoning, the only 3 things we add are soy sauce. So I'm using liquid aminos because it's just like a healthier alternative. So 2 tablespoons of liquid aminos, again some salt and some pepper according to your taste. Give it a good stir. Try not to like break it, just fold it. Try and like mix it by folding it, something like this. So once you have everything mixed thoroughly, your filling is ready. Now the sheets I used are these ones by Switz. I just got them from our Arab store, and I'm quickly showing you how I put the spring rolls together. I take a tablespoon of filling, roll it once, then fold it on both sides. Just make sure that there's no space in the corners, because if you do have space, once you fry your spring rolls, oil will start to seep in. So put them nice and tight, and then take our all-purpose flour and water paste, put it at the very corner, and just stick your spring roll shut. And that's it. Those are all our spring rolls ready. So with the ingredients I mentioned, I was able to create say 45 to 50 spring rolls. And that's it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that, and do not forget to subscribe.